So have you been on Banshee?
No.
So we gotta go out to Kings Island together then.
Yeah.
Let's do an Ohio trip. We'll knock them both out.
Ohio, Pennsylvania. You gotta make it like you gotta do both. And then you might as well. I need a month.
You get Dorney. You get Dorney. No, don't. But I'm saying with your Cedar Fair park, you get Dorney, Cedar Fair, and Kings Island. Cedar Point, and Kings Island.
That's gonna be fun.
It's almost time for a jacket.
All right.
Let's go! Woo! Oh yeah, baby! Woo! Oh, that is awesome! Yeah, whoa! Woo! Yeah, baby! I'm liking this.
Good ride. With two boring turns at the end.
I was gonna say the helix, the last helix after they're at the corkscrew, that should have more pull to it.
Yep.
That's probably my one major complaint of it.
Back half was better. So my two rides last year were not as intense. And
Yeah, that was cranked up, man.
I left kind of like disappointed.
Like I think this is better than Montu. I had to trim. I had a trimless on Montu at night. Back left row. I think you were with me.
You want to get go back?
Sure.
I do too.
It's running like fucking wildfire right now.